Hi everyone and welcome to this new Nalios tutorial. So today we're gonna see the novelties of the planification in Odoo in the 19.3 version. So as you may know, there was an application that was named Field Service, but that application disappeared, and now it's a link between the application project and planning. So this is gonna be in two parts. In this first video, we're gonna see at the settings and the configurations that have to be made for planification to be working in a field service kind of way. And in the second part, we're gonna look at how to plan efficiently the tasks at hand. So first of all, you can go into settings and go into the application projects, where you can see that you can check a box that allows to track time spent on project and tasks. And second of all, you can see into planning that you have a new section, field service, with settings to have the same functionalities as before in the field service app. So you can see that you can have billings, so you can invoice the time and the material you're using on the field to your customers. You can have worksheets, so a report of what your employees have been doing on field. You can also track your technicians and employees with the geolocation button. And last of all, you can track the satisfaction of your customer directly from the task. So once the task have been done, you can track it. So we're gonna save this settings. So once the settings are saved, you can see new settings appearing. So for example, the products, to track the products that you are actually using during interventions on site, to create new quotations from the intervention if you had products and so on, to have a customer report that is sent with the intervention report and so on, to make them sign and to email them a copy. So yeah, once that has been done, sorry, you can go into projects and we will create the project that will help us with to create our task. So first of all, we're gonna name it. So it will be IT intervention test. So the project type will be a service. It will create on order a task. You can always choose project and task, but just means, sorry, that there will be a project created on each quotation that is using this product. And here we don't want that. We want to have only one project per customer, so we will define it directly on the task, on the quotation, sorry, or create it if there isn't any. We can choose also an invoicing policy. So if you want to have a fixed price, or if you want the invoicing be based on a timesheet, here we will stay with a fixed price. And we can choose to plan services for a certain type of role. So here, for example, we can choose an IT technician for that kind of product. So that means that every time a task is created for with this product, it will request to be assigned to an IT technician, so an employee who has that role. And then you can always choose a worksheet template here, but it's not mandatory because you can also choose it later. So once we have created our product, we can always set a price up here, but I want to do it on the quotation, so I will create a new customer. Oops, sorry. Yep, here you go. I will go into other info. I will see if this customer already has a project with this name. So I will create a custom filter. Customer is equal to my new customer's AGE, and we can see that we don't have any project, so we will create a new one, and I will name it ZIT. Up here you have several settings, for example, the fact that you can timesheet on these tasks, on this project and tasks, if it's billable or not. So we will save it, and we will add to the products our new IT intervention test. We can change the quantity, the unit price, and it will the unit, sorry, and the unit price. So here we will choose 1 hour at $150. And once that has been made, we can confirm the completion. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in part 2.